Hey, don't worry, I'll show you a little bit more on what I'm doing and what I found is working a little bit, but you know, it just takes some time. Keep at it. I can't believe I cleaned the whole thing. Yeah, boy, whew, that was a doozy. I stuck with it. I don't know, maybe 5 hours or so. It kicked my butt, that's for sure. My hands are sore, my legs are sore, my knees are sore, and I still got more to go. But that doesn't look half bad. See how it used to look right there? Because that's the hallway, and I still have to wipe this down. So I'm going to get in there and clean the floor a little bit and talk to you a little bit more about it. I thought I would rinse this off and just to get it more uniform. But the one thing I'm looking at is as it's drying, you see these lines where the tile stopped and started. I'm not quite sure if that's going to show up after this floor dries or not. You know, all the way. See there? See those lines? I don't know why those lines came out looking like that, because all the tiles were down and there was mastic on the whole thing. So you see though, when it's wet, that doesn't really show up. But I thought I would just get it rinsed off a little bit, and what I could do at the end, if I want, you know, as I'm cleaning the other floors, if I get this, if this is all has the mastic on there, you know, the tar stuff, the greasy oil stuff, I could come back in here and kind of wipe the floor down, you know, and then that, if after it dries, you know, the imperfections in between the tile lines, see if I just do it like this and have a little bit of the oil stuff on there, it'll probably blend all in. I had some more cleaner, because at this point, if you want, if you think there's a few more spots you need to hit, you can hit them now. And I still have more to do. Obviously I got out in the hallway, and I got everywhere else for that matter. You know, the hallway still, I've got to clean that next, and then I've got a room in there to clean. And so I'll take another look at this floor afterwards, but you could kind of imagine what this floor is going to look like, I think, once I stain it. Now see, some places, like I was telling you before, some places have a light stain and a dark stain. And sometimes they tell you to put the light stain on first and then the dark stain on last. Or you can do it vice versa. Well, in this case, we've already got the dark on there, don't we? So I'm going to get a lighter stain. Now I forget what color it's called. I think it's called terracotta. But I'll look. You keep watching my videos and you'll see how I do it. This is just the first step of many. This is not the first step, but you know, I've got many more things to do. I still have to patch all the nail holes that had popped all the way along this, and and then see that material is going to be a lighter color. It's almost going to look like new concrete. And so what I'll end up doing with that is I'll do those patches along the wall, and then I'll do a once over on the entire floor with a greasy sponge, and I'll wipe over it and get it all nice and even, and even where the nail pops are. See, that's going to be bright, clear, light colored concrete. And so then I'll take my dirty sponge, my greasy sponge, and then I'll do a once over on this entire floor, blend everything in, and then get ready to stain. I've got lots more to do before that. Thanks for watching. Yeah, see, that's kind of odd. See where the tile lines were? This is just a dirt mark. This is all mastic all the way. It's all uniform. But then in here, as I cleaned it, I didn't do anything special to clean. You know, I shouldn't be seeing those lines, but I am. And we'll do something with that, and we'll kind of dirty it up. I could also spray some cleaner on there and kind of use my steel brush and get some more oil residue coming up off the floor, and then wipe that over the entire thing. Okay, and then once I put the other stain on there, that's going to look good as well. But I'll do a little bit more work on this floor, because the last thing we want is, after we stain, we don't want to see those lines like that, do we? No siree. A food for thought. Before I wipe this down, I probably, on the next go round on my other floors, I'll just take a sponge that has all that greasy stuff on there, and then just use that and wipe over the entire thing and just get everything nice and even, you know, the swirls and stuff. Okay, and then I won't have this issue, because before I started wiping this down, you didn't really see it all over here, did you? Yeah, I think I just learned something there. Oh yeah, this is gonna feel good tonight. Nice hot sauna to rest my weary bones. So glad this is here. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more